Hey guys, my name is Latra Vinovich, an artist with over 20 years experience and a really huge fanatic of fluid art. Today, I want to take us to the basics and show how we need to combine the colors in a flip cup. Yes, flip cup, this is most basic technique, but I think this is the most magical one. Today our accent will be not on how to do it itself, but how to combine the right colors so our colors in the painting will stay nice and vivid and bright. The thing is, we need to start with the real basic, with a color wheel. As you can see, this color wheel is pretty simple, so you don't need to be very advanced student to understand how that thing works. Really easy, really nice. So we have three prime colors. They mixed together will give us any colors in this wheel. The problem is, when they mix in the certain amounts, they can give us just dirt. Yeah? Our painting will lose all the attractiveness of it. It will be boring and just, you will never love those colors. They will be just really dirty and yucky looking. So, to make sure that will not happen to you, what you need to do, you just go and you split this circle to 3 sectors. Just follows the main our prime colors from blue to yellow. This is the sector number 1. If you just put the colors from just this sector, yours will be fine. It will not be any dirt or any other bad colors introduced to your painting. The next sector is from yellow to red. This is a fiery sector. This is where you can do really cool fire or energy paintings. Another sector which I really love is from red to blue, including the purples. It's really cool, bright, nice colors. So 3 sectors. Let's check each one and see how that would work and what you can do creating the painting in just this sector. When we will be done with this, I will also show you how you can combine colors from different sectors in one cup. Okay? Let's start with a sector number 1, which I call C sector because it includes blue, yellow and all greens. We're so dreamy of vacation. That's perfect sector to start with. What I do for this, I'm taking my cup, which is for my canvas 9 to 12 inches. So this cup is about 8 ounces. That's perfect combination. Let's start with this. I'm starting with white color. Let me put gloves. That always helps because every time you forget the gloves, yes, you can clean your hands afterwards, but it takes time and it's pretty messy. And you know what? If you have nice manicure, it will be ruined. So don't do that. Shake your paint and start with white. Okay. And then, oh, that's not a right color. It doesn't belong there. We need yellows. That's the right one. Hey, yellow. Just drop like this. That's perfect. And then another yellow. If you have multiple colors, multiple variation of the same colors, yeah, sure, why not to use it, right? And then green one. That's a cool color. Look at this. Oh, that looks beautiful. And I can add the blue one. Where's my blue? Woohoo! Where is my blue? I don't see it. I know where I have have more colors. Wow, right? So here we go. I got more blue. I'm putting some blue. Wow, I love this color. It's already look amazing. Another thing, I always put in my painting black and white colors. That's my secret, and this usually looks really, really cool. So let me add the black, just like this. If you want a dark painting, add more black. If you want a light like me, just a little bit would be enough. And then on top of this, I'm adding, again, same colors because I'm still staying in my C sector. So I'm adding that cobalt blue, which belongs to the same sector. And I like this color, so I'm adding more of it. And then, for fun of it, I will add a little bit more yellow. I can do this. Here we go. And just for fun, I will add a little bit white on top. There we go. My cup is ready. Now, let's see how that will look on a canvas. Taking my cup, closing with my canvas, turn it around, taking my hand off, and here we go. It's all here. Now, let's open up and see how it looks like. 1, 2, 3. Oh, pretty, right? Now we just need to spread it and see where it will take us. Ah, look at this. I usually prefer to go to the corners right away. Just like that. And we're going down. Look at this. So I stay in just one sector. I didn't introduce any red to this painting, and look how beautiful and vivid my colors are. Don't you love it? It's really cool. The next one will be our fiery sector, red, orange, and yellow.